Hey loves, this is Chanelle Novosey's Best of 2018. First off, I began the year with cooking with HelloFresh, which is a meal prep service which I really do enjoy. Then I spent $75 at the Dollar Tree. Can you believe that? Craziness, but I got some really amazing items in the Dollar Tree haul. And then I learned how to make some marbled dishes, which was so much fun. I love marbled anything. Then I showed you guys how to do a crayon DIY, which was so much fun for canvas. And for kids, I thought this would be perfect for a Mother's Day gift. Then I showed you guys how to plant some succulents, which are real succulents. I got them from Home Depot. So cool to do, and I love succulents. I love greenery, but unfortunately, all of them died. So then I started sharing more of my thoughts and being more transparent on YouTube. And then I did a 3-part series on how to start an Etsy shop. This has helped so many people. Then I did a DIY ballerina painting. This is perfect for a little girl's bedroom. I also had a try-on haul with Wish.com, and it was a $32 wedding dress. It was really pretty. Then I showed you guys how to do a beach themed wedding. This was probably one of my favorite wedding DIYs. I loved it. Look how pretty all of that is. Everything is in the description box. Then I showed you guys how I did a DIY IKEA hack of a mirrored dresser that's right behind me. That's what it looks like. I love this. It is currently in my bedroom. Then I started doing more Let's Talk videos. This one focused on anxiety, depression, and worrying. I hope that it helps some of you out. If you want to check it out, all the videos will be in the description box. So then I showed you guys how to turn an over-the-door mirror into a blinged out mirror, which is right above me right there. I love that. That is currently in my living room. Then I showed you guys how to do a Winter Wonderland wedding centerpiece, which is beautiful. Perfect for winter weddings. Check it out in the description box. And then I showed you how to DIY some Halloween decor, which was fun and creative and definitely kid friendly. Then I was back in the kitchen cooking with the Purple Carrot, which is a vegan meal prep service. A lot of fun, very good and tasty meals. Then I showed you guys how to DIY a Glam sign for a baby shower. It's a sash that you can use for a grandma to be. And then I showed you how to paper mache some fall decor using really simple items. Check that out in the description box as well. Got back in the kitchen, showed you guys how to cook again with HelloFresh. This was an amazing meal. Y'all like them cooking skills, I know it. Then I showed you guys how to make a 3-tiered cake stand with Dollar Tree products. This one speaks for itself, a beautiful blinged out storage containers with all Dollar Tree items. This was amazing. I love it. I also showed you guys how to make a bling brooch bouquet using Totally Dazzled items. I love that company. Then I showed you guys how to bling out some essentials for your bar under $10. And then there's my amazing birthday trip to Jamaica, which I had so much fun in. I swam with dolphins. Be sure to check that vlog out. It was fun. Then I showed you guys how to make a personalized YouTube red button. So fun and easy. Then I showed you how to beat your face for Christmas. And then I showed you guys how I decorated my home for Christmas. It was so much fun. I used silver and white decor this year. I really enjoyed it, okay? Lastly, I showed you how to DIY a Chanel gift box. And I tried to bring some humor into this DIY. I am actually quite silly, but sometimes it's hit or miss. So all in all, 2018 was pretty cool. I had some highs, I had some lows. I liked most of my work, but I can do a lot better. I cannot wait to show you all that I have in store for 2019. Make sure that you stay tuned for that. Be sure to hit the subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned. I will be uploading on Wednesdays and Saturdays moving forward. That is my 2019 schedule, and I'm going to commit to it. I can't wait to see you all really soon in another DIY. Have a blessed day.